Hey, I'm back to share a little more about this homeschooling journey for homeschool moms or homeschool parents. I will share some of my experiences, but definitely give you points and things that I wish somebody would have given me. Okay, so we just finished talking about tests of academic proficiency. Now, what does your county offer? How about that? It's a good idea to call the Board of Education and to Google search to see what does your county offer. I know in the county that I reside in, they offer quite a bit. And the bad thing is one person may have no clue what the other person knows or what the other person does, what the county offers. There might be only one person that's in charge of a whole thing, and only that person can answer any questions. And so, but let me tell you, this county that I'm in has virtual learning where you can find a list of accredited programs where your child can take the courses, and these are courses that are accredited by your state. That's called virtual learning in the county that I'm in. Okay, there's also, and so that is done all by yourself, or depending on what program you select, you can have assistance like from a teacher with your program. So it depends on what you select. You could also, some of the programs that I found, you can also have live classes like in the summertime or whatever, or you can have a combination of live and totally virtual. And this is virtual. This falls under virtual learning. I believe all of that falls under virtual learning. And definitely ask me about the programs if you want to know about specific programs. Okay. And I'm not endorsing any of them because I have not used any of them yet. Okay. I have just been referred to one particular one, and I was told by one school district that this particular one is a good one. And then with the school district that I am in, I was told that they actually use this one for a part of their online curriculum. So that's the next thing. Your state or county may have online school where you could be in school, day school, and then you could also have online school to take some classes, right? And if you do that, I was told the other day that you can only take 2. If you're in the regular school, you can take 2 online school classes, okay? And if you need to do credit recovery, whereas your child didn't pass the test of academic proficiency or something, you can do credit recovery through online school. And so that would be a little bit shorter of a course, right? So I heard you could do 2. I don't know if that's 2 a semester. I would think it's probably 2 a semester. I wouldn't think it would be 2 a year, but it could be. I don't know. I will get clarity on that. And if anybody wants to know, I'll let you know, or when I find out, I'll let you know. What else? There is, of course, there's summer school where your child can do like a credit recovery or do your classes over, or do classes period. There is summer school in the county that I live in. You can take 2 classes in summer school. What else? There is online school where you can take online school as your whole schooling. So, and then you also do some things where you interact with and engage with teachers. And this is a program you have to enroll in prior to the school year. I think you enroll over the summer, or you just check with your county. But here we have an online school where you can go to school online, like the child that I was talking about who was in the pool with us. And he said he does online school totally. And being in the pool, taking the aerobics in the pool was part of his physical education. All right. So, and those are some of the things that you can do, but I'll do that in a next one. So those are some of the programs that are offered in the state that I'm in. So definitely, if you're looking at homeschool, know that there are other options as well. All righty. See you in the next one.